nasoma vizuri, naendelea sawa. Yeah, hadi report book yangu tu iko sawa, like na perform vizuri.
We are a community that is rooted at the grassroots and we are survivor centered.
Just call the number. Literally, I didn't know them, and it has really helped me because I'm not sure where I will be right now.
We have supported over 7,800 families with skills and mentored them.
Sikujua hadi kuongea. Mimi nikaposeka mwenyewe singespeak. Sasa nilikuwa nimelia.
We are truly transforming lives through compassion, commitment and integrity.
When we talk about human trafficking, it happens across Africa. And so Frolics of Hope Africa is looking at reaching the unreachable communities in Africa.
Joyce Wangoi. I'm a beneficiary from benefiting from Frolics Africa. Well, I came here running from abuse. It's something that's rampant. It's something that's not talked about, especially in African context, especially when it's not something that's physically quantifiable. Like if you're not coming with scars of daggers, it's not something that people take it really into consideration.
So Frolics of Hope is an organization that handles all matters child protection and women rights within the boundaries of Kenya. And sometimes we have received cases across the nations of Africa, and therefore our jobs have increased in terms of response and making sure that we are able to support children and women who've gone through violence, exploitation and trafficking, especially in Kenya and Nigeria. Because we are a community that is rooted at the grassroots and we are survivor-centered. So all our programs include survivor-centered approaches in terms of response and design. And also number 2 is that the survivors also get to receive a full continuum of support in the sense that they receive rescue, reporting, rehabilitation, reintegration and repatriation services just under one roof.
Frolics nilipata mama ananijali, ananitumikia vizuri. Ya juu uko pali nilitoka sigeweza kupata upendo wa mama, like mazingira huko haikukuwa bora. Ya huku kumetulia, kuko tu sawa. Nikipenda pia kushukuru.
Child trafficking is one of the fastest growing crimes in the world today. Victims need a voice. We need to stop this madness. We need to end it. We need to act now.
As an organization, we have rescued over 10,000 children and helped over 7,800 women-led families. We have responded to over 840,000 cases of violence against women and children. We have also worked with a program known as Sikio Mtaani to empower the community so that we ensure that solutions are community-based and long-term.
As Frolics of Hope, we work closely with children officers, the community health volunteers, the chiefs and police officers who are able to identify needy cases in our communities. They are the ones who contact Frolics of Hope to do some rescue to children who are needy in the village, in the community.
Sikujua hadi kuongea. Mimi hadi ningekapaseka mwenyewe singespeak out. Sasa nilikuwa nimelia. But vile nilienda Frolics, nilikuwa nako ka feeling of killing myself. I wanted to commit suicide. But in Frolics you get people with different stories, so you see yourself as this is nothing compared to others.
Vile nilikuwa nimekaa kabla niingie shule. Uko Kaptembo nilikuwa nasoma, lakini sikuwa na attend shule kila siku. So vile niletwa huku nikaweza kusapotiwa, nikaingia shule St. Peter's Girls Boarding School. Ninasoma vizuri, naendelea sawa. Yeah, hadi report book yangu tu iko sawa, like na perform vizuri. Yeah.
Well, it has been of great help because at the time I was coming here, okay, I first ran away from where I used to know as home. It's not like I had anything planned prior, so I didn't have the resources. And where I went, I noticed that they were also turning against me and siding with my abuser. It came at a time when I really needed an escape, and at that time I really got it. I didn't even know of the place, I just saw it online when they were recommending it for someone else. So I just called the number. Literally I didn't know them, and it has really helped me because I'm not sure where I will be right now, because I would hate to be in a position where I'd go to a mental space where I would feel like I need to hurt myself or my daughter.
They are truly transforming lives through compassion, commitment, and integrity. Every action we take, whether it's mobilizing food, supporting survivors, or raising awareness, or even engaging communities, it is done with desire to uplift vulnerable people.
Frolics of Hope has received several recognitions and awards across the world, and that starts in 2019 when we received the coveted Mashuja Awards in the 2019 awards ceremony, and we were able to get that for our humanitarian work that we had been doing in the community. And then also we received a recognition certificate from the lady senator in the US, and so that also formed our basis of credibility. And apart from that, we've also received recognition for girls and women empowerment in terms of financial literacy from Egerton University. We've also received an award for the humanitarian award in 2021, that's in Nigeria, and for our work on matters child trafficking in Africa. And also we've also been awarded recently, we were named the African Child Rights Non-Profit of the Organization of the Year. That was last year in 2024. And also we've also received the NGO Whisperer Partnership Social Impact Award, and it's been such that's UK based, and so it's been such an incredible journey that we appreciate the awards and the recognition of our work at the grassroots.
Those who experience gender-based violence, there is trafficking, there is rape cases in the society, and in most of the organizations they don't like working with it because it's emotionally heavy and also complicated.
The future plans of Frolics of Hope is that, number one, we hope to be able to stop renting, because where we are currently, we are renting both in our offices and also the safe houses. And so we are not able to accommodate a lot of survivors at the facility. At the facility, we are only able to support a maximum of about 40 survivors at a go. And so we're looking at expanding that program and probably building our own space so that we can be able to accommodate a minimum of at least 100 survivors at any given time. And that makes it close to our hearts in the sense that we will be impacting more lives out there. And also secondly, we're looking at also expanding our reach in terms of regional partnerships. And so we're looking at going across border in terms of, especially when we talk about human trafficking, it happens across Africa. And so Frolics of Hope Africa is looking at reaching the unreachable communities in Africa. And that would be very important for us.
And at least I got a place I could shelter and even listen to my thoughts as I take the therapy sessions. Somewhere where by the time I'm leaving, I'm sure I'll be at a better position than where I came in. So yes, I would like to thank them for that.
Frolics ni mahali pazuri sana, natuonyesha upendo, yeah, kama uko na mashida zako zinatatuliwa huku, like nasikia hadi nimetulia.
We highly depend on the goodwill of Kenyans, and especially the Kenyans in Kenya and Kenyans in diaspora, to help us be able to bridge the financial gaps that we have. And also we apply for grants that we've been able to receive, one especially from Pollination Project, and also we've been able to receive another grant from the Freedom Fund. Apart from that, we highly receive support from the local community in terms of feeding, that's in kind. And so we also have a volunteer program that helps us bridge the gap in terms of human resource in our programs.
I hope and I pray that more people can take advantage of such services, and I also hope that we can have like a platform where those such organizations can also be marketed or promoted to the society, so that by the time someone has an issue, they don't really consider like taking their own lives or something of the sort, that they will know that there's an avenue, there are resources where I can get the help from.
When you come on board, you realize we are a very credible organization, and we can promise when you partner with us, we will deliver that which you've asked us to do.